Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. My name is Jasmine. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I appreciate that you selected this video. But also, if you have seen other my videos, I truly appreciate you clicking again. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing, but this one I had to wait. I did a survey actually on my Instagram account on Boxy Box Sneak, but also here on YouTube, and I asked if you guys wanted me to open the box and see what was there, to try on the products on camera, or open it together. So that means no peeking from me, not opening the box at all. So we're gonna open it together. And guess what, guys, I'm gonna put the screenshots here and here for you guys to see that the majority of the votes were the same on YouTube and also on Instagram. So you guys said for me to wait, which I was hoping you guys would say for me to actually look at it inside. But this is so exciting because I don't know what I received. So on this video, we're going to open the base box together. So guys, if you want to see what's inside, let's open it together. So guys, the moment of truth is here. I know I am so excited to see what I received. Like I said, it's a little heavy, so let's see what's inside. Well, I don't even know what I want for this variation from what I've seen so far. I actually forgot because I guess I just want to be surprised. So let's go ahead. I'm not gonna look inside. I'm just gonna pick this first product. I don't know why I'm picking up a product that is so small. So here, guys, is the first product. You know what? I should look for the card. Okay, I think I found it. Is it a book? Oops, I guess I was supposed to see that. Okay, I found it. So, ooh, this is so different than what I was expecting. I thought it was going to be the one with the flowers. So it says Super Bloom. This is my favorite color, so I'm loving this. And once, guys, I want to say that if you're a mom, happy early Mother's Day, or if you're watching this on Sunday or maybe after, happy Mother's Day. I hope you had a great time. So here is, I don't even know what this is, what brand, V Cosmetics. So this one is V Cosmetics Liquid Velvet Lipstick. Ooh, this one retails for $22. Like I said, it's a velvet lipstick. Unlike any other lip color you've ever seen, this liquid velvet lipstick is the product. They put a "the" in caps. A unique statement with your fashion forward vibe. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Look at that. I think this would have matched me today. I don't know, you guys, do you think I should try it on? Just put it on, you know. I already have a lipstick. You know which lipstick I'm wearing? It's the first time I'm wearing it, and it's so creamy, but I feel like it's too creamy for me. And it's from Rare Beauty, and I even forgot I had this. You will never think it is this creamy. So let's go ahead and try it on. It's so small. It is a nice shade. Yeah, it is a nice shade. So guys, let's pick the second item and let's see what's in here. I'm just feeling a lot of like paper. Oh, it's white. It's just that big paper is still in the way. Did I just get a little lipstick? Do I have another lipstick? So the second product is, and ooh, it's an eyeshadow primer. I don't know, I love using concealer, and I have given the opportunity for other eyeshadow primers, but I feel like they're not like the concealers that I've been using. So, but I do want to try something else. Basic Beauty, guys, Basic Beauty eyeshadow primer. This one retails for $18. This is an eyelid primer base formulated with hemp seed oil to moisturize and maximize color intensity for a crease-free look that lasts for up to 12 hours. So yeah, I want to try this out because I just love products that they have like almost skincare ingredients in them, so that makes it extra special. Sometimes it does work, and I just put a dab there. It does feel pretty creamy, but it's very dense. I feel like it did. Look at that, it did cover some in my skin. It covered the skin there. I don't know if you could see it. So do you have to apply a lot? I don't know. And if you notice, I didn't use a lot, so this might work. And it does have a little scent, but I really had to get close to it. Oh, and it feels so soft right after there. So let's see what else is here. This feels like almost like another lipstick, but a little bigger. Oh, I got the Dewy blush. So guys, this was a choice item. So this one is Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint from Ciate London. I love this brand. Ooh, this is so cute. Will this work for me? I don't know. And it is so small. It is super light. Oh, look at that. Well, I think that's a little dark. Let's see if it does blend out. Oh, it does blend. It's not bad. It's really pretty. Ooh, and it smells nice too. You know what? This is like 2-in-1. I'm actually opening the boxes and trying them on. The only thing I didn't try so far is that eyelid primer. But yeah, I don't know if you could see much, so I don't know if this is the right shade for me. I don't know. I'll have to see. So yeah, guys, I got the dewy blush. It's $22. Next, I got a box. Skin ink. This is Serum Glow Filter. Oh my god, this one retails for $50. What kind of filter, what kind of glow, what kind of serum this is? I hope that it does work. Oh my god, look at that. And I wonder if it's gonna smell like hibiscus. How clever is this? This is so different. How does it feel? It does feel very lightweight, just like a serum, but I think it feels a little bit more denser. It's not like so runny, like watery, but it feels so hydrating. And I could feel the hydration because this side of my hand, it was really dry, and now it feels super smooth. But you know what? I can't smell the hibiscus at all. So to be honest, I feel like it has no scent at all. I use 1 to 2 pumps before makeup as primer. So it is a primer. Guys, I'm not excited about primers. I've tried them. I don't see much. Sometimes I feel like the primer doesn't hold as much like other, not wearing a primer. But this one I'm excited to try because of what it has. It has niacinamide, it has hyaluronic acid in it, and it has a hibiscus extract. So I'm actually excited to try this. That is more like of a serum, but it's also a primer. Yeah, this one I'm excited for. So we have 4 items already. So which one's gonna be the 5th one? Let's see. What's the 5th one? Oh, it was all the way in the bottom. Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Body. I bought this, you guys. I mentioned this in another video. I think it was last month. I bought this. Well, it was on special, so it wasn't full price, so it's not bad, but I like this. I know it's funny because when I mentioned in the video, some people were telling me that the scent, some of the comments were like the scent, they don't like it. And when I tried it, I was like, oh, now I know what they mean. The scent is not good at all. But let me tell you that last premium box, last month, I got this oil that smells so good. So now my routine is I apply this with that oil, and you don't smell this at all. I love the scent of the oil, and even though this is really overpowering, the scent is really strong, but does it weigh off the ingredients that it has? Yes, that's why I wanted this, because it has AHA and it has BHA, and it's a serum that it has honey and prickly pear that is going to help exfoliate your skin. So that's something that I'm doing. So I'm like, you know what, I need to make this work. I don't smell this at all. I smell that oil, and it's so good. So this is what I do sometimes at night. I don't do it all the time. I actually did it last night on my shoulders, and I love how shiny it was, how glowy, and it does feel so soft and so good on my skin. So I'm not mad. I'm kind of mad because I bought this, but now I know it works, and I'm excited for this product. So I know some people are not going to be happy because this does look like a repeat. So hopefully they're keeping track of everybody's boxes and there's no repeat. So since I never got it in a box, it's my first time getting it. I did purchase it on one of the sales, so maybe that's why I got it. Now let's see what is the retail price for this. The retail price for this is $40, which, guys, yeah, I will buy this again. I'm excited for this. I am. Hopefully they do follow through with everybody's boxes and you don't get a repeat. But I love this. I love this, and I'm glad that I got it. Now I feel like there's something else in this box because of that card that I got out. So let's go ahead and look inside now. And I don't know if everybody's going to be getting this. This is refreshment. The refreshment dazzling 5-blade kit. This is the razor kit. Look how pretty this is. This looks like luxury, fancy, girly at the same time, and even in the card it's not even included. So I wonder if this is going to be something that certain people are going to receive. I don't know. So I'm gonna put on this section, or maybe on this section, the retail value of this box. What do I think? I like the Pharmacy Glow, and it's $40, and I'm excited for that. I really do. I made it work. So if you have an oil or another serum, you could pair it. It might work together with that serum for the body from Pharmacy, but I love the results. I really do, and I'm excited that I got it in the box, and it was my first time getting it. That's why I purchased it, because I never got it. Guys, here's my unboxing for the base box for the month of May, for Mother's Week, Mother's Day, and it's called Super Bloom. So guys, let me know what you guys think of this variation in the comment section, and thank you so much for all of those that participated on the survey that I did. I kind of did it last minute, so hopefully you was able to give your input and let me know what you guys was hoping for me to do. So thank you for that too. And if you're new, you want to see me unboxing the premium box, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss on that video. So thank you again guys for spending some of your time with me, and until the next video, bye.